the Juicy Cologne family just last 2023, di ba? So, how would you describe your personal journey since becoming part of Juicy Cologne?
Well, you know, growing up, I used Juicy talaga. You know, alam mo yung lagi siyang nasa backpack ko sa school, going there, to be able to be part of a family that really promotes self-confidence, self-care. I'm just so glad that I'm advocating the same as them, and we're both aligned with our values and principles.
What first came to mind when you found out you would be signing or singing Juicy Cologne's empowerment anthem? Yung Light Up Shine. Alam niyo ba yung Light Up Shine? Sige nga, paano nga? Kanina pa kumakanta si Belle. Kayo naman. 3, 2, 1. La... Alam na.
Feeling ko sila nakakanta. Joke lang.
Why not, diba?
No, but going back, Ate Ai, syempre nakakatuwa. You know, the song really talks so much about self-love. And talagang when you understand the lyrics and you listen to the song, there's this sense of lightness and joy when you listen to it, but it has a deeper meaning to that, which is self-care. Yes.
Ang ganda nga nung song, nung una ko na pakinggan, talagang, ay, ang empowering, siya ang uplifting niya, ang positive, ang good vibes lang niya, di ba? Now, how did it feel naman performing the song live for the very first time in front of your fans in Cebu?
Well, syempre, first time ko perform yun. So, syempre, kinabahan ako. But then, I'm so happy I feel like I was spreading hope and joy sa kanila and lightness, which is, you know, Juicy and I really believes in. So, along the way, more than the pressure that I was feeling, syempre, nag-enjoy ako.
At grabe rin naman yung binigay na warmth and pag-welcome sa'yo ng mga ating Juicified besties from Cebu. Now, looking back, how were your experiences in all of the places you've visited? Diba? Na-mention na natin kanina, Cebu, Davao, Bacolod, and finally here in Manila.
Grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa. You know, I rarely get to visit these cities kasi nga, syempre, kailangan mo lumipad. But every city na pinuntahan ko, talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung pag-welcome. And now na nandito na tayo sa fourth leg natin, I'm so happy to be able to celebrate self-care and self-love with all of you here.
And now, closing the campaign, full circle here in Manila, what is your message to all of the fans who lit up the journey with you?
Well, grabe kayo. You know, I see some familiar faces here na sumama talaga sa amin when we were in Cebu, Bacolod, and then Davao. Tapos nandito sila ngayon. Siyempre, I hope all of us just spreads that lightness within us, you know, spread the joy and continue to light up and shine.
And thank you so much, Belle, for sharing those heartfelt moments and inspiring us all with your journey alongside Juicy Cologne's Light Up Shine campaign.